Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Chris and today I'm somewhere a little bit different. Check it out. I'm at the beach. Yeah. It's lovely today. Quite sunny, a bit windy if you're out actually on the beach, so I'm in a sort of sheltered area here. Today I've got with me my Neo, I've got my N3 goggles, and I've also got the motion controller, so I'm planning to do a spot of FPV flying, which I'm really excited about. Got my spotter here ready, Mrs. Zenbine, ready to spot the action. Yeah, no real plan today, I'm just going to get flying and see what happens. Alright, we're off. There we go. It's super windy. You can see how sideways that drone is right now. It's really windy out there on the beach. The tide is luckily right out, so I'm not going to be flying over too much sea, although there is quite a bit of water over here. I had a little bit of a funny turn with the Neo last time I was flying it. I was flying it over a river that I've flown it over a few times before. And it went completely... Oh my god, look at that. Look how nice that looks. Sorry, I'm just getting this lovely shot of the sun glistening on the water. That is lovely. So yeah, as I was saying, I had a little bit of an incident over the water at the river I was flying at. And the drone just started to go completely sideways and out of control. For no reason. I couldn't figure out why. So it must have been something to do with the sensors in the water. It just was not liking it, and that really freaked me out. So I'm going to be a bit careful now from now on over water. I've always been a bit cocky, but no longer. God, it's absolutely beautiful here. Look at this. Look at this sand. That's such a cool shot. I haven't flown in FPV with the motion control for a little while, just because I've had other stuff going on. I've been flying with the RCN3 quite a bit. I flew with Emmanuel and flew in FPV using the FPV3 remote, which was awesome. Okay, in sports mode now. So flying into the wind, I'm doing 1.5 meters a second at the moment, but if I turn around and go with the wind at my tail, look at that, oh, 9 meters a second. Nearly 9 meters a second there for a minute. That was amazing. There you go. Oh, that does feel a lot better in the in sports mode. It's a lot quicker. Very conscious that there's some people around on this beach, and I really don't want to annoy people. I know how irritating the sound of a drone can be, so I'm trying to keep away from people as much as I can. And just kind of enjoy the beach where I can. I might do a bit of head tracking. Should do a bit of head tracking. Let's try it. Hang on. How do I do that again? Let's go head tracking. Yeah, head tracking's on. That was easy. Alright. Oh yeah, head tracking's on. Oh my lord, it feels so weird because I always look down when I fly. Hang on, right? It feels like I'm looking right up at the moment, but I'm not. I'm just looking at the horizon. It feels so strange. Alright, head tracking is on. Does get a little bit disorientating sometimes with the head tracking. It's very cool though, given that I can look over there. Look at that sea. Look down. Oh, look at that sand. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Look at those patterns. That's amazing. Oh, loads of wind. Loads of wind. I'm going to dive back down. Isn't that a lovely view? Oh, look at that wind. Oh my lord. Okay, I need to come down a bit. It's getting absolutely battered by the wind at the moment. But that is a hell of a view. Currently at about 38% battery at the moment, so it is going to probably, yeah, it's going to return to home in a sec, so I'm going to come back. Going to come back and load up another battery and get back out there. Do you know what? I'm really enjoying head tracking today. I don't normally fly with head tracking, but in a place like this where you've got quite a lot to see and it's really beautiful. Yeah, I know. I'm just going to fly myself back. So here's a question for you that you might be able to answer in the comments if you're watching this. Do you know how to turn off the beeping for return to home? Because it is the most irritating noise. And I haven't figured out how to turn it off. There we Here he comes. There's a dog down there. Oh my god, is this dog going to chase me? There we go. Dog did want to chase the drone, I think. That's hilarious. Alright, another battery. Hello, if you're enjoying this video then please do consider liking it. Also maybe consider subscribing because I've got loads more of this kind of content to come. And leave me a comment because I'd love to hear what you think about this video. And just generally, yeah, just tell me how you are really. How's it going? Alright, that's enough of that. Let's get back to flying. Okay. Another battery in. Sports mode, let's get out there. Oh, it's so fun flying here, it's lovely. Yeah, I'm going to try and get out a little bit down here towards the sea now. The sea is so far out, the tide is so far out. Oh my god, I'm almost not moving here. I went down to, I almost stopped moving because, oh my lord, the wind is so strong.
That man thought you were flying VR.
Did he?
Looking at your headset.
Getting some strange looks from people. Don't blame them, I'm pretty weird. Look at that sky. Hang on, let's just get up here a bit and just get some shots of like just the scenery around here. It's amazing, look at this. Lift up, let's get up a bit. 50 meters at the moment, let's get up to about 80 meters or so. It's going to take a while. Whoa, feel that wind, look at that wind. Oh god, let's come down a bit. Okay, 60 meters. Yeah, I know. It's so nice flying somewhere different though. I'm always, as you will know, if you've seen any of my videos, you will know I tend to just fly around fields and stuff like that, which are lovely. I really enjoy it, but it is nice to just get a different area and some new scenery. It's really lovely. I do plan on doing more of this kind of stuff, just taking the drone out to different locations. Nice beach shots here. Sorry. Just turn it upside down. Okay, so I think we're going to wrap up there. I know we've only been through a couple of batteries, but we kind of need to get back now, so we're gonna head back. It's really fun flying here. It's just so beautiful. Super windy. It'd be really nice if it wasn't windy, but I guess it's always windy at the coast, isn't it? It's impossible not to be. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as always, please do drop a like. Consider subscribing. I've got loads more content to come. I'll be getting the FPV3 remote soon and flying in full manual, which will be really exciting. And yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And yeah, I suppose that's it. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Bye.
Bye.